we're back, and I was talking to people in the comments, and somebody said they wanted to see the RSX this week, and we are going to deliver. We're going to actually test out this new ECU. We're going to grab it out the box and go ahead and stick it into the car right now and try to load a base map and see if we can get to fire up, but I've never used this ECU. I don't know anybody else who has, so it might be a little bit of a learning curve, but I think I can get it fired up. We're going to go ahead and try that right now. Need a 10 mil.
Do I?
Yeah, right here and back here. Pull it out. Alright, ECU is out. Now it's time.
Huh? I gotta go up, right?
What do you mean?
Up there?
Oh yeah, the top secret ECU, it is upstairs. Time to see if we can fire up the RSX on the top secret ECU. I'm only calling it top secret because, well, y'all wouldn't know what it was anyway, so. Anyway, it's strange. I've been playing with the software, but it's not American, so you had to convert the units, and, you know, it's pretty interesting. We'll have to see if we can get the car to run on it. So basically, you need to plug that tuning cable into the ECU. That is a sturdy looking... Joseph, show me that end. Look at that. That's crazy. Can't really see it, it's too dark, but... Oh. Alright. Okay. I got the laptop ready to go, and I'm gonna open the program, plug in this here tuning cable. This one right here. Into the USB, and we'll see what we can get. Just kidding, that's not what tuning really sounds like.
So they're making it sound like it's...
I know, right? I wish I could type that fast. I'd be like, I should go get a different job if I could type that fast.
I wouldn't want to sit behind a computer that much.
That's a good point. Holy cow, things are live because we are plugged in. This is cool. Let's we're in the editor, ECU online. Oh, that's how you do live tuning, or that's how you do at least data logging. ECU online is what they call it. Okay, 20 minutes later, we figured out how to connect to the ECU and load a file. Winning.
Oh, that's what it's doing.
I think we should try and see if we have life. We're live. I've got live data too. Things are working. Oh, that's interesting. Now let's see what I have control of. Oh hey, look! It's showing, based on your Ochi sensor right now, your readings, like your Ochi readings. Yeah, pretty much there. Okay, so we got the car to run. I'm starting to kind of understand where everything is in the software, and I'm way too exhausted from welding all day to actually tune this, but that's progress. I'm pretty happy. It fired right up, like sounds fine. I can see like all the trims, adjustments, the lambda, everything looks like within spec, so you could probably drive on this ECU right now just fine. Pretty happy with it, but we will have to reconvene and actually get a dyno tune on it, I don't know, in the next day or two?
Yeah, let's figure it by Saturday.
Maybe tomorrow. What's tomorrow, Friday?
Friday.
Maybe tomorrow.
Yeah.
Alright, see you guys in a bit. should be able to tell. There, it just went back out. I'll look right here on our data window. I'll let you know when VTech comes in.
Never mind open, right?
No, it was open.
Oh, it was?
Yeah. Scotch! Bro, your VTech is always on. Hey, somebody let Scotch know his VTech is always on. Woohoo!
Like he likes it.
He likes the tall grass?
He likes the tall grass a lot.
He's so funny.
And by the way, it definitely feels a lot heavier.
We just don't want to be in the way of the subframe because it might impede us getting the motor mounted. Alright guys, really quick before we put Yari's car on the dyno and see if we can make all the horsepower. His motor rocks back and forth, and every time we shift hard we can feel the motor like clunk against the firewall. I think his stock motor mount is just completely dead, and the power transfer kind of flings the motor all around. So thank goodness for Hasport making this rear motor mount. We are going to put just the rear motor mount in for now, and that should stabilize the motor moving back and forth, and then when we're on the dyno, it should be smoother when we're shifting and whatnot. So every freaking time.
Every time.
Hey guys,
Don't buy cheap
don't buy the cheap ones. They just get stuck and they bind up and they won't work well. They look exactly the same and they mount the same, so we will probably switch out to the good ones. But we did not realize that there's actually real ones and fake ones, and we apparently got the fake ones. So we will have to stick the new ones in pretty soon. You know the depressing part about YouTubing is that we have to turn the like really loud fan off every time we film so that you guys can hear what we're talking about. But we're looking up here under Yari's car at this motor mount, and so far it looks like it's gonna be pretty straightforward. There's basically 3 bolts here. One looks like it's actually missing already. That's encouraging. And yeah, slide the motor mount bracket a little bit and I think it'll just come right out. So we're gonna go ahead and do that really quick. Okay, he's getting the magical box of RSX parts. And while he's doing that, check this out. Oh yeah, a little bit of Z Love. Look at, it's like, it's looking so boosted right now. This car is so dope. Okay, show me that motor mount real quick. Yeah, so just your basic K-Series DC5, you know, RSX rear mount from Hasport.
This always want to ask how you know what it's for. You see the code right there, DC5. I would have to guess
that their part numbers are based on engine code.
Yeah, that all they do that.
Because they're. So, I love these guys.
Somebody always asks how do you know online.
If you guys ever need motor mounts or anything, don't even mess around. Just get ones from these guys.
Just start
No. Clunk. Clunk. Yep, this sucker's super dead. Hey, Vincent's here. Alright, change of plans. We're not actually tuning Yari's car right at the moment because I need to look at something on Vincent's car, so we're gonna do that really quick.
New car.
Yeah, super excited. He got rid of his CRZ. If you guys remember, like if you're from way back, you've been watching the videos, he had a red CRZ with like fender flares and kind of wide wheels, and it was bagged. Super cool car, but it was missing one thing, all the boost. And so now he has a boosted RSX with so many interesting body mods. Like, for all you JDM fans, it's got a lot of those kind of parts. I can't even tell you all of them because I'm not that knowledgeable. I only know about things that go fast. So in the meantime, we are going to look at, he's like a small oil leak and it's annoying. So we're gonna take a look at that, and then we might put it on the dyno and just make sure the tune is all happy and safe and everything's good for Austin, because it was from a town a few miles away. Houston. So we'll just check it, make sure it's good. All right, let's get into that. Let's see if the oil leak is gone from the turbo line. Hopefully that takes care of our leaky problem. not too bad of a leak. It's probably okay. And I think it's after the turbo, so
Okay.
shouldn't affect like boost or anything like that. On the good note, I don't think you'll have to change turbo kits to make 300. You're making 226 at like 5 pounds, so maybe just like another 5 pounds.
Just like you guessed, on point.
Lucky guess, I guess. My accurate driver's seat dyno. Like I've dynoed too many cars, I'm really good at guessing. Yeah, I think we can get there. Like, where does the boost actually come in?
It's like 3K RPM, it starts building up. I'm like,
Yeah, it's making almost 7 pounds before VTEC crossover. So it's making all the boost before VTEC even kicks in. Which is crazy because, you know, you can pretty much move VTEC lower if the engine's more efficient lower. Like, as long as you don't lose torque, you can keep moving it lower. So, man, there's a lot of room for improvement. We'll have to knock this thing out. Okay, she is all done. Well, as you saw in the last clip, that kind of gives us a good starting point for this car. 225 horsepower at 5 pounds is not fantastic, but we'll sort that out as soon as we get it back on the dyno, maybe Monday. In the meantime, I'm going to let him do his inspection since he just got the car and get it all ready for me, and we'll put a wideband, fix his exhaust leak, and then make all the power next time. So this is a pretty productive Saturday, I would say. We got Yari's motor mount in. Say hi, Vu. Vu's back on. You guys remember him? He's got that Q50 Infinities. That exhaust leak is annoying. I'm gonna fix that as soon as I can. Okay. I guess now that we have 2 RSXs frequently kind of here, we're gonna get more Honda videos for a minute. So everybody that's here because of Honda reasons, be excited. And man, I think we're already up to 7 or 8 minutes in this video, so we're...
Get a shirt that says no more Nissans.
What? What?
Say no to Nissans.
Oh, man.
I'm 19 pounds, man. Like, it's fun on a stock motor.
This guy's got a lot of confidence right now because he made a bunch of power on his Q50, right? On his Q50, so... But those are awesome cars. If I could get one, I probably would. But you know me, I love the Hondas and the Nissans. So Yari's request of getting rid of all the Nissans is not going to happen anytime soon.
We'll get Infinity one day.
Did you hear him? He just said it right now. He's going to get an Infinity one day.
I didn't say that.
Hey,
said that.
I came from the Honda world. There's nothing wrong with it.
That's true. That's true. Come on, if somebody gave you a Nissan like a Z or a G35.
Somebody gave me RSX, I'll stick with that.
Oh my gosh. But you would drive either, for sure.
Absolutely.
For sure. Alright, on that note, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end it. I will see you in the next video.